Welcome to Hiroshima. On August 6, 1945, Hiroshima became the first city in history to experience the unimaginable, the devastation of an atomic bomb. In an instant, lives were lost, buildings turned to dust, and the whole world changed forever. But what happened next is a story not just of tragedy, but of resilience. This city didn't just survive, it rebuilt, it remembered, and it grew into a global symbol of peace. This is not like the other cities of Japan, Tokyo or Osaka. It's very quiet. Like it's afternoon. What is it? Is it Sunday? Yeah, it's a Sunday, 12 o'clock. And I'll show you the streets. They're very quiet. Very calm also. This is by the river. Very peaceful. Okay, so now I'm walking towards the Peace Park, and I can see the dome. Let me put the camera. Dome is right there. And this is the museum, the waterfalls. This is what remains, just a skeleton of brick and iron, frozen in time. On August 6, 1945 at 8:15 a.m., this was ground zero. The first atomic bomb used in war exploded almost directly above this building. Close enough to melt stone, but not quite enough to wipe it away completely. It's almost eerie, isn't it? The fact that this structure still stands. Everywhere else was flattened. But the dome held on. Not as a monument, just by chance. A brutal accident of physics. Before the bomb, this was the Hiroshima Industrial Promotion Hall, a place of art, trade, ambition. Ordinary people worked here. That morning, they were just gone. But today, this ruin isn't just a scar, it's a choice. After the war, people debated, tear it down or let it stand. Survivors fought to keep it, not to dwell on pain, but to scream, never again. After that, I went into the museum. So first off, you want to buy the ticket, which is about 200 yen, that's like $1.35. And then you also want to make sure you get the audio guide. It will definitely help you to understand the history and significance of each image you come across. Then you start off by some images of Hiroshima, how it looked like before the bombing. And then this line slowly takes you into the main museum. This is how Hiroshima looked after the bombing. Here are the clothes of people couldn't make it. There's everything you can imagine. Utensils, clothes, bicycles. There are some images so harrowing, it's unimaginable what humans can do to other humans. Faces were deformed, limbs were missing. And here's just a comparison of the bombs that were dropped. The bigger one was the one that was dropped on Nagasaki. But Hiroshima refused to be defined by its destruction. Look at it now, a city that it literally rose from ashes to become a beacon of peace, culture, and life.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good.
And yes, they even rebuilt the food. Hiroshima's okonomiyaki is legendary. Its bars are full and its streets hum with energy. This isn't a city stuck in the past, it's a city that chose the future.
Heart it race, so catch me if I fall.